Today's question is, how is the strength of an earthquake measured? So what we originally thought was there was only one type of seismogram because that was our answer, but actually there was even more than one. So seismographs, I should say, there are more than, I think, 3. So the first one's called the vertical seismograph. There is the horizontal, and there is the drum seismograph. They are all types of seismographs. They still do the same thing, but they're just kind of different in their own way. And so the seismograph is the machine, and the seismogram is the paper. Yeah. So now we have a picture to make our summarizing of the answer better. So what me and Alexia summarized was the strength of an earthquake is measured by a seismograph, which during an earthquake, a pen-like ball held by a string directly below is a sheet of rolled paper. So when you write, it won't be rolled over. So how it works is when the shaking starts, it will shake the ball, causing it to write. And you know how bad it is when the lines get increasingly big. But this is only one example. This can help seismologists measure an earthquake from real-life proof. So the ball pen is right there, and this is a rolled paper. And as you guys can see, it's writing, and the other side of it is blank because it hasn't been wrote over. There's also the support beams, which connects the string and so that it won't fall off. And it's not connected to a ceiling, because if it was, then during an earthquake it will probably fall off. And the structure is very good, so it doesn't break during an earthquake. And this is how we think seismologists measure earthquakes and the strength of it. Then these lines became transferred into magnitude. Sometimes you can use it to measure magnitude. And seismologists can't have the exact answer, but then they can really base off what magnitude the earthquake was, and then we get a better chance of knowing what it is.